So, what's up sa inyo lahat? It's Ezekiel Benz here again for another video. So, for today's video, gagawin natin yung experiment number 4, which is the end gate on the breadboard. So, what are we waiting for? Let's go! So, bago tayo magsimula sa ating experiment na AND gate circuit on the breadboard, tukuyin muna natin kung ano ba ang objectives natin and equipment and materials na gagamitin natin. So, una, sa objectives is to examine the characteristics and operation of a TTL AND gate. Pangalawa, to construct a logic circuit of an AND gate with expanded input using 2-input TTL OR gates. And ito naman ang mga equipment and materials. 5 volts DC power supply, 1 piece 74LS08 quad 2 input AND gate, 1 piece 5mm red LED, 1 piece 1/2 watts 220 ohms resistor, 2 pieces SPDT switch, 1 piece breadboard, and jumper wires. So dito makikita nyo is yung symbol ng AND gate. Sabi dito sa AND gate is operation niya is yung multiplication, and yung Boolean algebra notation niya is A, B, or kung babasahin natin is A and B. Tapos yung output niya is kapag ang input mo is parehas na naka-high or na naka-1, then ang magiging output niya is naka-high din. Pero kapag ang input mo it's either input A or B is may 0, then ang magiging output mo is 0 din or low. So, proceed na tayo sa procedure. So, una, construct on the breadboard the AND gate circuit shown in figure A. Then, set the AND circuit to each input combination as shown in truth table A1. Observe and record in the truth table the output for each combination. Using the same circuit as shown in figure A, complete truth tables A2 and A3. So this is the figure A, truth table A1, truth table A2, and truth table A3. So ngayon, makikita nyo dito is yung AND gate circuit on the breadboard. Yung nasa gitna is yung IC natin na AND gate na 74LS08. Then, 220 ohms resistor natin na 1/2 watts. And red LED. Kasi ito nasa kanan natin is yung positive terminal. Sa aliwa yung negative terminal. Tapos ito yung dalawang SPDT switch natin. Then yung alternative power supply natin na 5 DC. So bago tayo mag-test ulit, makikita nyo dito yung wire natin ng mga switches is nakakonect siya sa pin 1 and 2 natin, yung orange and gray jumper wires para sa input, and yung yellow jumper wire naman is para sa output, yung pin number 3 na nakakonect sa resistor and LED natin. So ngayon, try na natin siyang i-test. Yung switches natin is parehas na naka-low to. Sinasabi sa AND gate na kapag ang input mo is parehas na naka-high, then ang magiging output mo is also high. Pero kapag may naka-low sa input mo, then ang magiging output mo rin is low. So, try natin tong isa, i-high. Ang output mo is low. Ito namang isa, low pa din. Pero pag tinry natin parehas, as you can see, yung output natin is naka-high. So now, let's proceed to the figure B. Construct on the breadboard the AND gate circuit shown in figure B. Set the AND circuit to each input combination as shown in truth table B. Observe and record in the truth table the output for each combination. So this is the figure B, then the truth table for figure B. So ngayon naman sa figure B, makikita nyo dito, meron na tayong 3 inputs. Yung output nung pin 3 kanina is nakakonect siya dun sa pin 4 para ma-connect siya dun sa pangatlong input. Then yung switch natin is, pangatlong switch natin is nakakonect siya dun sa pin 5 para makontrol yung input din. Then yung pin 6 natin is nakakonect siya dun sa resistor na nakakonect sa LED para dun sa final output natin. So ito try natin siyang i-test ngayon. So itong mga switches pala natin is pare-parehas na naka low. Try natin i-high. Naka off yung LED. So i-try naman natin tong nasa gitna i-high. Yung output mo ba rin is naka low. Try naman natin tong isa naka low pa din. Try naman natin tong dalawa naka high, low pa din. Try naman natin tong ito sa ito naka low pa din. Try naman natin tatlo naka high. Ayan, naka high ang output natin. Sinasabi kasi sa gate na kapag ang input mo is pare-parehas na naka-high at walang naka-low, ang magiging output mo is always na naka-high.
So, I hope you learned something from this video. See you on my next experiment. Stay safe and healthy, and God bless. Peace.